Welcome back once again. You're watching Night Club with me, Jatin Sapru. Time to add a little local flavor to Kolkata Knight Riders' very own show. Bhai, you can take a Bengali out of Kolkata, but you can't take Kolkata out of a Bengali. Someone who, of course, lives in the heart of the city and someone who, in the righteous sense, says, Ami KKR. Deepdas Gupta, welcome to Night Club.
Thank you, Jatin.
You have to do that, Ami KKR.
Ami KKR.
Feel it, right? अंदर से.
Yeah, कोलकाता जहाँ पे कोलकाता आ गया फिर तो that's how it is.
एक और अच्छा न्यूज़ है, अभी सब देख रही होगी टीम, अगर कभी चाहिए हो भाई कोई प्लेयर वगैरह still looking fit in shape can always step onto the field. Pradeep, we're starting of course with this team leaving a legacy. सिर्फ records के लिए नहीं जाने जाएंगे कोलकाता के ये खिलाड़ी, कोलकाता की ये टीम, but initiatives. Last time round, co-owner Juhi Chawla announced how the team is doing its best to go plastic free. अब तो भाई कोलकाता का झंडा नंबर 1 पे आने के बाद फहरा तो रहा है, लेकिन उस झंडे में भी प्लास्टिक की कोई जगह नहीं है. Let's once again cut across to Sanjana Ganesan in conversation with the evergreen, the smiling Juhi Chawla, talking about some more initiatives.
Das ki dahad, Ami KKR. Ready for the match? Arre wah, yes. All set. Yes. And I heard something about the flags being different this year. This is last year's. Tell us what is different.
KKR has decided to be the best team in every aspect. There's another whole side that we decided to take on, and that is being socially responsible. Socially responsible how? You know, हमने notice किया कि हर match के बाद Eden Gardens, huge, biggest stadium in India.
Yes.
कितने सारे लोग उसमें से ये flag लेकर, wave कर रहे हैं. And this flag was with a thick inflatable plastic balloon. और हर match के बाद लोग तो वहाँ पर फिर फेंक कर सब चले जाते हैं. So all that plastic, is just used and thrown. Plastic is a huge problem to the environment, to animals. It's killing animals every day, and damage that it is doing is devastating.
Yes.
तो हमने सोचा भाई कुछ करें इसके बारे में. So the new flags have these recycled paper sticks.
Yes.
So from all that plastic, so you can imagine about 40,000 flags all gone. Now you have these little sticks, recycled paper. So that's a big step, trying to be environmentally friendly.
Well, Juhi, we know that you feel very strongly about plastic pollution, and you also have an initiative of your own, Citizens for Tomorrow. Tell us a little bit about that.
Oh yes, okay. Yeah, very happy to share with you that so a few months ago we started working on this. As we got to know more and more about the alarming effects that plastic is having on our environment and the animals and on our health, we got together with like-minded people and we started this movement which is called Citizens for Tomorrow. Because I feel we're doing whatever we do today will impact our children. So it's let's live for tomorrow, let's think for tomorrow for them. And so of course the first people we contacted was our own team KKR, and we said let's do something, and that's how KKR, Mir Foundation, Citizens for Tomorrow, we are all in it together because this is our planet, this is our home. We will make more strides as the matches go on, as we come up with more ideas.
Well, Juhi, we wish you all the very best for your new initiative.
To make sure tomorrow is beautiful, we need to start working today. Right now, in fact, भाई प्लास्टिक को अपनी जिंदगी से हटा दीजिए. आपकी टीम इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, इतना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, लेकिन ये पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा अगर आपका योगदान नहीं मिलेगा. So make sure you join in. You help Juhi Chawla, you help everyone who's of course part of the Kolkata camp bringing you this initiative. We here on Night Club pledge our allegiance to Citizens for Tomorrow. लेकिन एक और pledge किया था कि हर शो में आपके लिए कॉन्टेस्ट लेके आएंगे, गुडी जीतने का मौका मिलेगा. नाइट क्लब कॉन्टेस्ट, हियर आर द क्वेश्चंस. चलिए भाई, आज के कॉन्टेस्ट के सवाल गौर से सुनिए, गौर से देखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.
हमारे इन हाउस नाइट राइडर्स के सुपर हीरो अपार शक्तिमान ने मर्चेंडाइज किसे तोहफे में दी? ऑप्शन ए क्रिस वोक्स, ऑप्शन बी ट्रेंट बोल्ट, ऑप्शन सी सुनील नारायण या ऑप्शन डी कैप्टन गौतम गंभीर. Question number 2. Claiming whose wicket made Kuldeep Yadav happy? Option A, MS Dhoni. Option B, Steve Smith. Option C, Ajinkya Rahane. या option D, Manoj Tiwari.
सही जवाब देने के लिए give a missed call on 9014264557 or log on to www.kkr.in. चलिए भाई, कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए अब आप फटाफट अपनी एंट्रीज भेजिए, लेकिन कॉन्टेस्ट तो सही मायनों में मैदान पर चल रहा है। कोलकाता की टीम नंबर 1 पर तो मौजूद है दीप। पुणे से सुबह 3:40 की फ्लाइट लेके पहुंचे हैं। अब दिल्ली के खिलाफ मुकाबला है, शाम को 4 बजे की स्टार्ट है। सिर्फ एक ही दिन, मतलब दिन का भी कहाँ ब्रेक है, शायद सिर्फ एक ही रात मिली होगी सोने के लिए। How do these sort of things impact? You know, how tough does it get on players sometimes?
It gets, listen, if this had happened in the first week, it's still all right because you're still fresh coming into the tournament, even mentally. But halfway through the tournament, it gets a little tiring because you've already played 6-7 games, you've been on the road for a while. And especially this year, the tournament is kind of packed, right? You've got 40-45 days, the whole tournament's packed in that. So it can take a toll on them. But the good part is, it also is very subjective in terms of how you're playing. If you're playing well, the team's winning, the spirit is high, internally everything's pretty good. So that's the case with KKR right now. So, you know, everyone should be in good spirits right now. तो सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but physically होता है।
क्योंकि अब ये टीम सिर्फ जीत नहीं रही, अब ये टीम सही मायनों में दहाड़ लगा रही है। They're literally demolishing oppositions. That's what we've seen in the previous 2 matches. Well, let's talk about some of the reasons. We're looking ahead, of course, the game against Delhi. लेकिन जो स्ट्राइक रेट में बदलाव आया थी, आंद्रे रसल नहीं थे, ये शुरुआत में एक बहुत बड़ा सवालिया चिन्ह था कि उसकी भरपाई करेंगे। क्या आपको लगता है कि एक सेट स्ट्रैटेजी रही है कि स्ट्राइक रेट जो है वो बढ़ाएं, जैसा कि साफ दिख रहा है गौतम गंभीर हो जिनकी स्ट्राइक रेट में बढ़ोतरी हुई है, मनीष पांडे थोड़ी सी जरूर, लेकिन रॉबिन उथप्पा जिनकी स्ट्राइक रेट इज ऑलमोस्ट 30 more than what it was in the previous season?
See, the thing is, last couple of seasons they depended heavily, especially the last 5 overs, on someone like Andre Russell. So they had to do something about it. So what they've done is they've realized कि उनके जो best batting options है वो top of the order हैं. So now पहले क्या था कि चलो ठीक है, Gautam and Robin would open and they'll give them a good start, even though it means 5-7 runs below par, as long as they have wickets in hand, so they can go really hard at the second half of the game. But abhi they've realized कि you can't do that because you don't have Andre Russell who would strike at 180, 170. You know, last 5 overs, if he's around, you're looking at 65-70 runs. So now they've realized that that's not going to happen. So how are they going to balance it? तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि चलो शुरू से ही momentum रखेंगे. शुरू से, even if you lose a wicket, but the policy is, or the strategy is to go out there and go hard at the bowlers from ball 1. And it has worked. Like you mentioned, look at the strike rate of Gautam. It's above his usual strike rate. So is Manish Pandey, so is Robin Uthappa, and Sunil Narayan's been absolutely a revelation.
I'm going to come to Sunil Narayan in just a moment because we're trying to figure out कि इतनी अच्छी जो बैटिंग कर रहे हैं बतौर ओपनर, इसके पीछे कुछ वजह है जो कोलकाता के एनालिस्ट श्री सर ने हमें बताई है। लेकिन उसके पहले ओवरऑल भी अगर देखें, IPL पिछले 3 मिला के जो पहले 6 ओवर में 7.8 होता था पावर प्ले में रन रेट, वो बढ़ के हो गया है अब 9.8. Is it a fair T20 strategy that you capitalize just on the top order? और अगर आपके पास इतना अच्छा मिडिल ऑर्डर नहीं है तो आप सिर्फ शुरुआत में ही बैंक करें, बाकियों पर प्रेशर ना आने दें?
देखो, एक चीज़ है कि अगर आपने शुरुआत ताबड़तोड़ की, अगर आपके पहले 6 ओवर में आगे 60, 65, 70 रन, तो जो मोमेंटम क्रिएट होता है, इवन इफ यू लूज 2 विकेट्स, द मोमेंटम दैट इट क्रिएट्स टेक्स यू टू 150, 160. बीच में कोई एक और अच्छा खेल गया तो दैट टेक्स यू टू 170, 180. Right? So that is, the whole game is about momentum to a great extent. And what they've done, even if you look at, say, De Grandhomme, वो खेल रहे हैं, ज़्यादा मौका नहीं मिला, लेकिन the idea is he's also a big hitter. He also in international cricket देखेंगे तो he strikes at over 150. So the idea is कि जो भी आएगा will get after the bowling. And you know, the good part is, what in this format, what you need is clarity. And that what KKR has in that dressing room, clarity of thought कि boss, this is our strategy. This is what you need to do. This is your role. Irrespective, it's 100 for 2 or it's 100 for 6. This is how we're going to play our cricket. Once you have that clarity na dressing room में, T20 में क्या वक्त नहीं मिलता सोचने का कि ये करूँगा वो करूँगा. अगर clarity है, your job is done. And that's why I think Gautam has been absolutely brilliant, giving specific roles to people, you know, clarifying किसका क्या role है. This is how the team will work. This is how our strategy is going to be. And that's the reason यार, and all the consistency. एक आधा होते हैं players जिनका अच्छा साल नहीं आता, but you stick with them. You think कि नहीं, he's part of this team and I'm going to stick with this guy. So you're giving confidence not only to the guy who's not performing that well, but you're also giving confidence to the others कि जब मुझे मौका मिलेगा पूरा मौका मिलेगा. So there is no insecurity, so to say.
और शायद एक जो पैंतरा चला है, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर शायद गौतम गंभीर, रॉबिन उथप्पा, मनीष पांडे के कंधों से हटाया है सुनील नारायण को ओपन करते हुए. तो ए.आर. श्रीकांत जो हैं, जो टीम के एनालिस्ट हैं, परफॉर्मेंस एनालिस्ट, ही ऑल्सो वर्क विद द ट्रिनिडागो नाइट राइडर्स ड्यूरिंग द कैरिबियन प्रीमियर लीग. So he's seen Sunil Narayan from close quarters. He was the 5th highest six hitter in the Pakistan Super League. तो उनका मानना है कि विंड बॉल क्रिकेट जो कैरिबियन में खेला जाता है, 8 overs साइड, वहाँ पे is batted a lot. How much do these things affect? Because fans might ask a question that's a different level of cricket, but does it stream through?
True. It does. क्योंकि if you look at the basics, okay, something like a wind ball cricket जहाँ पे the ball moves around a lot, and you can actually see Sunil Narayan, the style of batting that he has is very suitable because he doesn't move too much. You know, जब आप कहते हो किसी batsman को, big hitters को, the most important thing is the base. If you have a solid base, if you don't move too much, at least you're watching the ball. So if you see Sunil Narayan, he doesn't move a lot. You know what we say, see the ball, hit the ball.
See ball, hit ball, man.
That's what he does. And that's what you need to do. जितना आप move करोगे, जितना आपका initial movement होगा, जितना आपका सर हिलेगा, obviously those things make it difficult for you to hit the ball cleanly. Or if you look at Sunil Narayan's hitting zone, it's all down the ground. Yeah. These are all percentage shots we're talking about. We're talking about mid-off, upper, more often than not. You hitting down the ground, full face of the bat, not much movement, basic initial step forward or back foot pe, and then he's stable there. And from there, he plays his strokes. So he's kept his technique very, very simple, and that's the reason he's been consistent as well. You know, he's not trying airy-fairy shots, ki sweep, reverse sweep, and slog. Most of his shots are not slog. Those are proper, authentic, down-the-ground cricketing shots.
तो ये हमने जानने की कोशिश की दीप दास गुप्ता से कि किस तरह जो टॉप ऑर्डर है उन्होंने साथ में मिलजुल कर थोड़ा सा रणनीति में बदलाव किया ताकि जो कमी थी आंड्रे रसल की वो ज़्यादा खले ना. लेकिन अब मुकाबला है दिल्ली के अगेंस्ट. इट्स अ टीम ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स कमिंग एट द बैक ऑफ अ फ्यू डिफीट्स, बट इट्स अ टीम दैट कोलकाता हैव बीटन एट द कोटला. But it's also a team, Deep, which has the best performance so far in the first 6 overs. Yeah. The economy at which they concede runs is 7.4. They've picked up 14 wickets. How do the top order need to approach this? Because this makes for a tasty battle.
True, and most importantly, the way the nature of the Indian pitch has changed, it's helping the faster bowlers. So Delhi Daredevils have the firepower in them. You're talking about
Chris Morris, Cummins,
you're talking about Zaheer.
Engage Zach. Congratulations, Zach.
Yeah. So you have the firepower in Delhi. So you've got to be a little more careful. Obviously, I'm sure they won't change the basic strategy of going hard. They've got to be a little more choosy in terms of which one to hit and where to hit. Because if you look at the last game, I think it was superb strategy to go down the ground because in Pune, the straight boundaries are shorter. So everything, even something which is short of length, you could see the batsman going straight down the ground. So I'm sure with Gautam and all those heads inside that dressing room, they will come up with a strategy to counter Delhi's firepower as far as fast bowling is concerned. Sunil Narayan, I think he's still gonna do what he does, go after the bowling.
Right, DDG, I give you an opportunity to pick 2 game changers. वैसे तो 11 के 11 का पूरा squad game changers है Night Riders का, but who are the Knights? Who will be the Knights in shining armour this evening, not night?
Ooh, you know what? The good part about KKR is, like you said, it doesn't depend on one individual or 2 individuals. But if I have to, from the batting, I'd say Robin. He's batting like a dream. The way he batted in the last few innings was absolutely brilliant. So I think, apart from Gautam, who's the talisman of the team, so apart from him, I'll say Robin. As far as bowling is concerned, I'll go with Sunil Narayan, the bowler. The bowler, yeah. Because if you look at Delhi batting order, the top order, it's predominantly Indian domestic players.
And a little fragile.
And a little fragile as well. So वहाँ पे I think, see, दूसरी तरफ you always have Kuldeep Yadav. So लेकिन Kuldeep Yadav, all these domestic DD batsmen must have played through the season. So they know what Kuldeep can do or how he bowls. But I'm sure not too many of them have actually faced Sunil Narayan. So I think Sunil Narayan would be my choice, especially like you said, top order, fragile top order Indian domestic batsman. That's going to be interesting.
Interesting choice by DDG talking about DD versus KKR. DDG, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
DDG talking about DD versus KKR. Well, send in your good wishes to the Knights with #NightClub. हम कोशिश पूरी करेंगे हम उन तक पहुंचा दें. मैच के पहले लास्ट मोमेंट आपके नाम के साथ भाई good vibes is what you always need. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Night Club. Until next time, it's Jatin Sapru saying goodbye. Kick it.